Shane down here at Mike's Off-Road, and we've got another Toyota project going on today. It's a 1986 Toyota pickup. Customer is kind of wanting to set it up as more of a trail rig, more of a kind of a rock crawler rig that you can take up in the mountains, go camping with. It's got a tent on the back. The things we're doing to it today is we're actually re-gearing it. We're going to put 488 gears front and rear in this thing. We're doing ARB Air Lockers in the front and rear as well. And we're doing an ARB twin compressor up top to power both those lockers, and so we can air tires up and down with that thing. And then probably the biggest part of this project is we did a manual transmission swap. We got rid of the automatic, and then we put a set of Marlin Crawler dual T-cases behind this thing so that he can get the lowest gears possible and make this thing crawl up just about anything he wants. If you need anything like this done, you know, we're kind of your guys that love working on Toyotas. We do a lot of Toyota projects, and they usually turn out really, really well. Remember us down here at Mike's Off-Road, and come check us out.